Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding Local Scope of Default Parameters in Python. Introduction. In Python, functions play a crucial role in organizing and reusing code. When defining functions, default parameters are a powerful feature that allows you to provide a default value for an argument in case the caller does not specify one. However, understanding the local scope of default parameters is essential to avoid unexpected behavior in your code. Default parameters. In Python, you can define default parameters in a function by assigning a default value to an argument in the function's signature. For example, local scope. When a function is called, a new local scope is created for that function. The local scope is where variables and parameters defined within the function reside. Default parameters are also part of this local scope. Let's explore the local scope of default parameters with an example. Explanation. In the above example, the function calculate_area has two parameters, length and width, where width has a default value of 5. When the function is called with only the length argument, calculate_area, 10, the default value of width, 5, is used, and the area is calculated accordingly. When called with both length and width arguments, calculate_area, 10, 8, the specified value for width, 8, is used instead of the default value. Important points. Default parameter values are assigned only once. The default parameter values are evaluated and assigned only once when the function is defined, not every time the function is called. This can lead to unexpected behavior if mutable objects, example lists or dictionaries, are used as default values. Example. To avoid this, it's recommended to use immutable objects, example none, as default parameter values and then initialize mutable objects within the function. Default parameters follow non-default parameters. When defining a function, non-default parameters must appear before default parameters in the function's signature. For example, deffunc x, y equals 0 is valid, but deffunc x equals 0, y is not. Conclusion. Understanding the local scope of default parameters in Python is crucial for writing reliable and predictable code. By being aware of how default parameters interact with local scopes, you can avoid common pitfalls and write more robust functions. ChatGPT.